Hi guys, today is day 2 of me finally being able to start coming up to the garage and start bringing up stuff for the sewing room. Everything else I had up here was just a bunch of clutter, stuff that I've been collecting over the years. What I ended up doing yesterday is I ended up going to Goodwill, and I did so good. I've been watching Clutterbug for days. Oh, do I absolutely love Cass on that show. And so in listening to her show, she's told me that it's okay to get rid of anything you don't use. Doesn't matter if it's sentimental. I've kind of been binge listening as I'm driving. I've been really, really busy. I haven't been able to be home to do much around here. But it started about 3 days ago. I was able to go through my kitchen really fast because I'd been watching her show, and I was able to get rid of 3 bags full of stuff really fast. I did a real fast, no mess sort of decluttering. Anyway, so now I'm up here in my new sewing room. I've been up here for 2 days. I came up yesterday, a good part of the day, I should say, and I was able to get rid of stuff. You wouldn't believe how much I got rid of. I'm going to put some footage in to show you guys, but I'm going to just show you where I'm at today. This is what I'm going through today. I left this morning thinking I wasn't going to have any time to be home to do any of this. It worked out so great. I was able to come back home, and I've got a few hours. I can tackle this. Yesterday, I made that huge dent. Yesterday was amazing. I was just ready to get rid of stuff. I've been watching Clutterbug, and she just has taught me so much. The thing I'm learning through this whole thing is trash. Oh my gosh, I have so much trash. Like I want to make bags with this. I want to make these cool bags. Why? I'm not going to use them. Just throw this. Look at this. Just in like 5 minutes. It's just bags of bags and bags of trash and cardboard. Good cardboard, of course. You know, I always save the good stuff. I have so much good stuff. I don't need any more. Envelopes. I want to mail somebody something. I have these envelopes that came with something in it that, you know, I can recycle. Yeah, I get them every single day, so I don't need to save them. When I need it, I can just wait a day and I'll have mail that will have it. So I'm on a mission. I'm doing so good. I'm so proud of myself. It's just so unbelievable how much I got rid of. So this stuff's a little bit more fussy to go through than yesterday because this is more stuff that I need to put away, and I'll be putting it in drawers. I'm going to give you a sneak peek, though. They just brought up some drawers. Look. There's the drawers. They're coming up. It's really going to happen. I'm going to get my workbench up here. Blanket I saved. I was going to use it for inside of something, but yesterday I did the same thing. I got rid of so many blankets. I just gave those ones to Goodwill. This one's just all pillory, and look, it's got fabric stuck in it. So I'll toss this one. And I don't need any more dog beds. I just don't need anything. So this one's going. This bag of garbage is literally garbage. Won't be much longer, and I will be up here. It probably realistically, because I'm busy next week, I'm busy this week, the week after, and the whole week of the 4th. And then after that, I should be up here and have it all set and ready to go and start making my videos, which I'm so excited for. I have patterns that I've never used, and I have templates that I've cut out a piece of fabric out of. I'm going to throw those templates because I'm not going to make that stuff again. So those I'm going to feel okay to toss. They're just made out of paper. Right now I am going to keep these patterns because I do plan on making some clothes. So I had bought these when I first started sewing. Bought them and I've never used them. So I'm kind of excited to make some clothes, and I still kind of like them, so they might be fun. This one made a skirt and all different kinds of shorts and skirts, so I thought that was really cute. So I just love shirts like that. I actually did just buy a bunch of shirts like that. I think I bought 4 at Walmart. They were on sale for $6 each. So and maybe I'm gonna try to make some. Not really fond of the side, how it comes down the side, but I definitely love this shirt, and I may end up learning how to make those too. One thing I do want to get for my sewing room is I want a mannequin. I just do. I think it will be fun. I think it will be fun to layer the clothes on it and as I'm making it. But these were patterns I had when I made bibs and stuff. Burnt pads, bibs. You can see they're all wrinkled and messy. So I feel good to just toss this stuff away. Just taking up space. I made pajama pants. I just cut out the pieces. I saved everything. These were just the quilts came in a pack, and after I made those, I wanted to save this to have the layout for other ways to lay out another quilt. Don't need them. One thing I did decide to save amongst all of my stuff was all the keys. I've been collecting keys for years and years. I thought that I was going to get rid of the keys, but recently I came across them again, and I have a pretty good collection. So I think I'm going to keep them and try to do something really soon with them to get them out of here, and something up on the wall with keys. I probably don't even need to look in this. These are just little templates I have cut out, and I'm going to just do that real quick and get rid of. Here in my new sewing room, I'm going to have so many drawers that it's going to be so good. So this is empty. I'm going to go ahead for now and pop these few patterns I have back in there. I'm sure I'll be able to find a nice drawer for them as I get going here. Today, I'm just trying to declutter. Yesterday, I was on such a roll. I got so much done, and this stuff's a little harder because this is more direct sewing room stuff. This isn't stuff that's been sitting around like in my long arm room where that you never see it, right? So oh, these are patches. This is going to be fun to see now. I can put these on clothes. Cute little popsicles and houses and some labels, which I need to work on getting some labels for my quilts too. I like to make a label, but I want to have a little special little label on things too. Yeah, these are cute. I'm going to keep these for sure. These were washcloths that I've made. I am going to keep these for now. I'm going to have a little area where I have like little homemade things. I can make a quick little goodie bag if I want to. And these are all just little homemade washcloths that I have crocheted over time. So once I can see them, then they can just go in a little gift bag. If I don't use them, I'm going to give myself like a year. If I don't use that stuff and I'm fine that I'm just never touching it, then I'm going to try to make a rule, a 1-year rule to say it's out of here. Okay guys, I guess that's it for today. I'm going to keep you updated to my progress as this room comes together, and I will see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.